Hello, we're at 1605 Clay, and this is apartment 3. Right when you come in the front door of the unit, you're in the living room. It has an open concept floor plan where the kitchen and living room are open to one another. Beautiful original softwood floors here in this unit. Here is the thermostat for the wall-mounted heater, breaker box for the unit, in-unit washer dryer. Okay, nice updated kitchen. We have a European style fridge with the freezer on the bottom, an electric glass top stove with a microwave above, stainless steel dishwasher, disposal, and this great farm style sink. And I love the subway tile backsplash and plenty of cabinet space with butcher block countertops. Okay, and then coming into the bathroom. Nice updated bathroom, matching subway tile to the subway tile that is in the kitchen. Exhaust fan and a window for ventilation. This unit has endless on-demand hot water. And then got a couple drawers here underneath the bathroom sink for storage. Okay, here is the bedroom. Heater for this room. Full-size bed here in this bedroom, okay? A queen would be too large. Nice big closet. Runs the whole width of the bedroom. And there is also incidentally a shelf above. Okay, and we are in Uptown Oakland. We're right on Clay at 16th Street. We have an optional parking arrangement at Clay and 14th Street, 2 blocks away, with Ace Garage. Okay, and also this building does have a bicycle storage room down in the basement, okay, so everybody can put a bike or two down there. Thanks so much for watching. This has been 1605 Clay, number 3.